My viewers requested and your lady Salome listened. Stay with me in this video as I prepare one of my favorite stir fries, shrimp with veggies stir fry. See how it's done and try it out and let me know how it goes. Stay tuned. Hello lovely people, welcome to Ezra Wellness, where you'll learn proven ways to healthy living. This is your lady Salome Admako. I'm a nurse and a functional nutrition counselor. You're welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I want you to subscribe, like this video and share. Today I'm making one of my favorite stir fry recipes, shrimp with veggies stir fry. You need about 6 ingredients and it's all ready to go in less than 10 minutes. So let's dig right in. In this stir fry, these are the items that I'm going to be using. I have with me onions. This is red onion that I'm using in this recipe. A medium size that I have cut up. It came out to be 1 cup. Mushroom, a medium size. I cut 1 up. It came out to be 1 cup. I'm using 3 cloves of garlic. This is cut up here. And this is garlic. That is how the whole garlic look like. And when I'm talking about the clove, when you take it apart, this is 1 clove of garlic. So 3 of these is what I've cut up over there. Then I have spring onions. Spring onions I cut up in here. And I'm using broccoli. In this recipe, I'm not using the crown of the broccoli, I'm using the stalk. So I cut it up here. Because for me, when it comes to Ezra Wellness, you know, savings is always the key to me. So I don't throw most of my veggies away. So the stem too, you could use it in your stir fry and it comes out to be very nice and crunchy. The only part that I throw off is just at the tip where it's a little too hard to eat. But I use the rest of the broccoli. Then I have here red cabbage. And this is red cabbage that I cut up over there. This is a 1 pound of wild catch shrimp that I'm using in this recipe. And the oil that I'm going to be using is coconut oil. This is organic kind. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of that. For my seasoning, I'm going to use coconut aminos instead of soy sauce because soy sauce contains lactans and at Ezra Wellness, we do not use that. So coconut aminos is a great replacement for soy sauce. And this is my cayenne pepper to taste. So now I'm going to start to make the stir fry. So whilst I was going over the ingredients, I had my stove turned on. So now my pot is all hot. So the unmelted coconut butter. The unmelted coconut oil. I'm taking 2 tablespoons. So 1 and 2. And I'll leave it to melt. Why are you using coconut oil, Salome? Because you know coconut oil is healthier than vegetable oil. So if you want a really healthy stir fry, you go for coconut oil or olive oil. Those are the oils that you want to use in your stir fries, not the vegetable oil. So now that the coconut oil is all melted, nice and everywhere, I'm going to put in the shrimp first. So you see the edges of the shrimp. Once the other side is cooked, it starts to turn a little pinkish in color because this is raw shrimp that I'm using. So it's starting to turn pink. That means that side is cooked. So I'm going to flip it because you don't want it to cook so much because this is shrimp. So you see how it looks nice and pink. While this side is cooking, I'm going to put in my garlic. Because I want it to soak it in the oil so that we'll get into the shrimp. Starting to smell really good. Nice. My garlic is cooking in. Now I'm going to throw in my onion. Then you leave the onion to cook for a minute or two. You know, onion and garlic is also loaded with a lot of vitamins, magnesium, copper, vitamin C and all that. So those are good for you. Once the onion starts to get tender, I'm going to put in my mushroom. See, when it comes to stir fry, everything will continue to cook. So you don't want to overcook anything. So you let it cook for a minute or two, then you add in the next item. So that at the end, everything will cook nicely. So at this point, you see my shrimp is almost all cooked through. So I'll make sure that it's up so that the mushroom and the onions will get the hottest part of the pot. So they will also get to cook nicely. The flavor is yum. If you're watching me up to this point and you haven't subscribed yet, I'm just asking you kindly pause this video, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of Lady Salome's educative videos. Thank you for subscribing. At this point, I'm going to put in the broccoli stem. If I was using the crown, it would have gone in later because that part is softer. But this part is a little tough, so it will go in before the cabbage. So now you know not to throw your broccoli stem away again, because you could use every part of the vegetable for your food. Yeah, so you let it cook for a minute or two also here. Good, it's starting to get tender. So at this point, I'm going to put in my cabbage. You see the colors that I have here. I have green, I have purple, and then my shrimp is giving it the pink color here. So when you cook it, you want to think about the colors, because all the colors contains antioxidants and different kind of nutrients and vitamins. So you want the different colors when you cook. You don't want it to look all green, then it gets to be boring too. So just also think about color when you're cooking. And we are almost there. So our colors today is green and purple, and a little pink from the shrimp. It smells so good in the house. Oh my goodness. You need to make it to experience this. And the coconut oil makes it smell good. And now my spring onion will go in last because it's pretty soft. So immediately you put it in. There we go. My stir fry is almost ready in less than 10 minutes. This stir fry could feed 2 people. Or if you by yourself, you make it, you eat half today and take the rest to work the next morning. And there you go with your lunch. So at this point, I'm going to put in my coconut aminos. So I'm going to season it now. I put like about a couple of shakes here. And because of the coconut aminos, I'm not putting extra salt because they have salt in it. So that giving it enough flavor. The coconut aminos with the coconut oil smells good. And as you could see, it's ready to eat. And we love cayenne pepper. If you don't like cayenne pepper, you don't have to put it. This is optional, but we love it. So I'll put a generous amount on there. And that is it. My shrimp and veggie stir fry is all ready to go. As you could see, this is very simple and easy to do. All in one pot and you're done. So now it's all done. I'll turn off my stove and then I'll dish it out. Now you see, my shrimp and veggie stir fry is all ready. I serve it with some avocado. This could be your dinner, or you could have this with some yam for it to be your main meal for the day, or you could eat it by itself. If you don't like avocado, you don't have to have avocado with it. You could just enjoy it by itself, and that is also okay. So now let me try it and let's see how it went. It came out to be nice and crunchy, a little spicy, but we love the spice. You don't like spicy? You don't have to put the cayenne pepper. Give me a comment in the video and let me know your favorite stir fry. I want you to like this video, share it, and subscribe. Until I see you in the next video, remember, this is Ezra Wellness, where you learn proven ways to healthy living. Thank you for your time.